It's just a soundstage, but we are going to get to look inside. So let me put the stay seated sign up on your screens. It's supposed to look like a subway station in the beautiful city of San Francisco. And you can see on your left-hand side, it's all set up for filming. There's the production schedule, there's camera equipment, lighting equipment. This soundstage was put here about 40 years ago initially. And they closed it down for a while. They just reopened it very, very recently. Like I said, this used to be the old earthquake attraction. So I just wanted to give you guys a little peek inside of here. Are we going to see an earthquake?